Nandito, ito po ang Taiwan Airport. Ito, transfer lang kami. So, another plane to Manila. Ang ganda ko, may prayer room. Prayer room. Ito yung prayer room. Prayer room nila. So, tatlo. I don't know, anong meaning yan. Tsaka yun yung cross. Yan. At tsaka, yan. So, ang ganda ng ambience. So, look at this. Ang ganda niya. If you wanna sit and relax.